morning, and thank you for joining us on another edition of A Cup of Joe with the Adonis Agency. Today I want to talk about renter's insurance, right? If you renting your home, if you're renting your apartment, right, your personal belongings are not covered under the landlord's policy, right? If the house burns down, the landlord is covered, but nothing in that apartment, nothing in that house which belongs to you is covered. So you're not going to get anything out of it, right? I highly recommend all my clients who are renting to get their own personal renter's policy because it gives you so much bang for your buck. It covers most renter's policies, renter's insurance covers 4 things. It covers, of course, your personal property, but a lot of them covers your personal property around the world. What I mean by that is if you're on vacation and you lose your phone, you lose your camcorder, you lose your camera, right? A lot of times, if you don't have a renter's policy, you just lost that item. But with the renter's policy, you're covered, right? We will replace that. So that's the first thing. The second thing it covers is liability. If you're entertaining and you have guests over and somebody hurts themselves on your couch or anything and now they want to sue you, right? We'll cover you for that as well. We'll also cover if they have to be rushed into to the doctor's office, we'll cover their medical payments as well. And the fourth thing that it covers, which adds tremendous value, is additional living expense. If, God forbid, you're renting a house and that house catches on fire and it burns down and the landlord now is trying to repair it, you're left without a place to stay. A renter's policy will cover you if you have to stay in a hotel for a couple of days, right? And when you think about all the value that the renter's policy gives you, right, it's being penny wise and dollar foolish by not having one. What I mean by that is, let's face it, a lot of times, almost all of us now have insurance on our phones, right? When I went to get my new phone, they tried to upsell me the insurance as well, and it was about $30 a month. A typical renter's policy, which will cover you, a basic policy will cover you anywhere from $20,000 to $25,000, costs anywhere from $13 to $25 a month for $25,000 worth of coverage. And in addition to all the added benefits you get, for you not having one is leaving up to chance, because it's leaving things that you don't have to up to chance. If you're going to insure your phone with your phone carrier, why not take the time finding out what a renter's policy could do for you and see if it's a better fit? Give our agency a call. We'd love to help. Even if you have questions and you want to go over different types of policies, my agency is here to help. We're here at the Adonis Agency, 631-390-8568. We look forward to speaking with you in the year 2021. Please like, share, and comment below, and have a great new year, guys. Bye.